and thank you for your interest in the Amazon Rainforest unit study. Probably I should first clarify that there are a couple of types of unit studies. One type of unit study is an all-inclusive unit study where all subjects are included in one topic. All subjects being basically everything except for math. And the other type of unit study is a standalone unit study where you learn about one topic in a variety of ways. And that's what this one is. The Amazon Rainforest unit study is a standalone unit study, meaning that it is solely focused on science. Now it does have arts and crafts and some activities, and it has vocabulary words just to help the student understand what they're reading. But other than those additions, it is a standalone science-based unit study. There are 3 components to this unit study should you choose to use them all. You have the teacher manual, the student text, and the companion notebook for students. And I've made the cover a little bit different on each one so that they're easy to tell apart. As you can see, the teacher simply has the jaguar on the front. The student text has a couple of frogs so that they can quickly identify which books are theirs. The companion notebook, the jaguar is on but in a slightly different position, and we've added birds, ladybugs, and anyway, just a visual differentiation for the kids. So let me show you quickly the teacher guide. There's also a video of this linked to our product page, but I wanted to draw your attention to pages 1 and 2. Strongly suggest that you read through these 2 pages first before you start the unit study, because they are going to give you some helpful tips on how to be prepared for your lessons and how to handle certain things that you're going to run across during the unit study. The teacher pages have the text here that pretty much matches the student text, but the difference is the teacher manual has notes over here in the margins for you, the teacher. And the notes include things like what you can show to use to enhance their learning for that day, or some projects, activities that they might want to do. Also, if you'll note right down here, this tells you what they're going to be doing in their companion notebook or in their journal, and I use those terms interchangeably. So if you choose not to purchase the companion notebook, that's fine. Your instructions are in the teacher manual, and they can use plain notebook paper, they can use just a composition book, they can use a 3-ring binder, whatever is easiest for you. The companion notebook does have some cut and paste things in it that they would be making use of should you purchase this. For instance, these will turn into animal fact cards, and then they'll go into a pocket on a different page. Yeah, here's one of the pockets here, more animal cards, because they won't all fit on one page. Here's an example of a page that they are going to be cutting out and then sliding into another area. So this does have some things that your child might enjoy doing if you do decide to purchase this. But you don't have to. This is a supplement. As well as the unit study student text, this is set up with more pictures. Obviously no teacher notes in the margins, more pictures for the students. And this is if you want them to do their own independent reading, and if they're old enough to do their own independent activities as well. There's an activity page here with a supply list and instructions on how they go about that activity. It does tell them to get parents' permission first so that you know what they're doing. But all that is to say, you could possibly do this unit study with the teacher guide only. However, these other 2 items are available should you decide to do all of them together. And they are also offered as a bundled price if you buy all 3, or if you need a notebook for each child. We can work with you on that. So I hope that was helpful. Please feel free to contact me if you have any deeper questions or further questions about this unit study. Thanks again for stopping by.